Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. So in this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can create a user in WordPress, how you can add users to your website easily using this tutorial. So let's get started. As you can see, we are inside the WordPress dashboard here. So the first and foremost thing you have to do is just hover over to users and select add users. So once you click on add users, this will give you a form to fill. You will be entering the username. So just for the demonstration, I'll enter the username and email is required. I'll enter the channel helpline, and then you'll enter the first name, and the last name is not mandatory. You can enter, and the website is also optional. WordPress will generate a password, but it's better if you create a strong password for this user. We'll create a strong password here, and once this is done, you have an option here to check. This will send the new user an email about their account, that an account has been created and they have been given this role to access this website. So the next and most important thing is to assign a role. Currently it's subscriber. You can change this to contributor, author, or editor, or administrator, depending on the requirement, depending on the kind of access that you want to give to the new user. So make sure that you don't get this administrator access to test anyone unless and until you trust this person, because that can have to give them a whole lot of access to delete the website. So for now, today's demonstration, I'll select this as administrator and click on add user. And that's it. The user is now created. You can see we have two users here. If you go to users, all users, you'll see admin, that's me, and then one that I just created. So how this works is they will be able to directly visit the website. Okay, go to the WP admin and enter the username that you have just created. Let me enter the username and the password. And they'll be able to log in, and you can see, because this is a full administrator access, they can see all these options. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.